Oh! Hey guys, what's going on? It's Xiaomanyc. Good morning, guys. I got some back issues. Ow! I hope you can't see my underwear here, but I got a lot of stiffness. I got a lot of back pain, and I got in touch with this guy who's a chiropractor, but he's also a YouTuber. He's gonna like crack my bones today and see if we can fix my back. I'm actually like ridiculously nervous right now. I've never done chiropractic before, so I don't know. Honestly, just from watching the videos, it makes me really nervous. Like if you look at his channel, it's just all like cracking.
And what's interesting is I have this new YouTube channel called Animal Cracker, where I work on only animals: horses, dogs, pigs, cows, chickens, goats, sheep. Soon to be giraffes and elephants too.
What, elephants?
Yes, because I'm trained in all of them. I went back to school a couple of years ago.
How do you chiropractic an elephant?
Well, I would need scaffolding,
okay,
you know, or some type of ladder to get up there. Do you have any chief complaints today?
Back soreness, back stiffness, are probably the main issues I have.
But we're going to work on you today. We're going to do some great stuff. We're going to kind of excavate stress, get it out of there.
Excavate. I love that word. Okay.
And
great.
We're going to see what happens. Okay.
All right. Wonderful.
All right. Let's go.
Let's do it.
Go down as low as you can and touch your toes, and stop when it gets too tight. There, you're getting there. Drop your head a little bit too. But you feel it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And come back up again. Point to the spot. So you're pointing right in the middle.
Yeah.
Correct? It's not left or right, it's middle. And that's L5, so that's the lower lumbar. So I'm going to have you start face down. So now I'm going to put this around your ankle.
Yeah.
And this is the part where I tie you up.
Let's do it.
All right. And you're going to put your hands on these hand things.
Oh man, it's like a medieval like rack.
It's the rack. So
oh god.
So try to reach this. All right, let me pull even more. Ah, there you go. You're on it.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to start this machine and stretch you apart. And it goes into the lower back and stretches and stretches. So now I can add to it by pushing into the muscle.
Yeah.
Okay?
Oh.
Does it feel good or?
It feels good. Yeah, it feels good. It feels really good. Oh my god. Oh, that feels so good. Oh my god.
Right in there.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Right there. So I'm digging into the muscles.
Yeah.
I'm not going easy on you.
Okay.
But you know, you got some bad spots.
Yeah, I do.
You're like a young old man.
Oh no.
You're young, but you have a few spots that feel old.
Yeah.
Like this spot down here does not feel your age.
Yeah.
It feels like it's a little achy.
Oh boy.
And so we just got to freshen it up. We got to make it match the rest of you.
Oh my god.
I'm just pulling you apart. I'm pulling apart your bones and your ligaments and your muscles.
Oh my god. So good.
But it's good too. I mean, you're going to be so loose when you get up. And now I'm digging my elbow into your traps.
Yeah.
And your rhomboids.
My rhomboids.
And your levator scapula.
What? I don't know if my back has ever been stretched like this.
No, we're really mauling you.
Yeah.
And we didn't even start yet. This is just the warm-up. So I haven't done any chiropractic on you yet.
Right.
To me, this is all chiropractic. So now my elbow is a little higher, but it's right near the quadratus lumborum, which is a Latin word. I know you're a language guy. So
language guy.
So I'm gonna.
What's all? Oh.
What did you just say there?
I said oh.
In what language?
In Mandarin.
Right,
oh my god. Oh shit.
Right in there. There we go.
Oh. Okay.
So the next thing we're going to do, you're so much fun. We're just having so much fun.
Oh, this is great.
At least I'm having fun.
I'm having fun. Oh, that feels good too.
Yeah, so this is the Hypervolt massage machine. And I'm just going to loosen you up a little bit. There we go. Alright, so now we're going to go right in there.
Okay.
And that's one of your problem spots.
Yeah.
One more breath in and blow it out. Got it.
Oh.
We stretch your back, so touch your toes, okay? All the way now. A little looser, right?
Yeah, a lot looser actually.
Good. So we're in here now. It's just crackling a little bit. So again, I'm just stretching and getting to feel everything. You're really tight up in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, shit. I didn't even know I had those.
Now, next thing I want to do is look at your nose. Now, your nose deviates this way, so we might adjust that today. We'll adjust your septum. Let's check your face. Open your mouth all the way and close. And open all the way. Good. All right. Let's check everything. Let's check.
Shit. It's just so funny.
I think we should start with the Y strap.
The what strap?
The Y strap.
The Y strap?
Maybe we need to, so we're gonna put this around you like this. Oh. Okay, big breath in. And blow it out.
Ah! Oh! That feels good though.
You'll be decompressed.
Oh.
Now, do you feel how you're still tight up in here?
Yeah.
So that's the one we gotta get next. Let the head drop. Drop.
Oh, shit. Oh!
There's one right in here. Do you feel that nasty spot?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna let your head tap a little.
Oh! Oh, shit.
And I got it.
They're like a dark magician. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was crazy.
Move your neck around. Your neck should be a little smooth.
Oh my god. Whoa. Whoa. It's totally different.
Yeah.
It's completely different. It's like a... I can't even describe the feeling, but it's like there's no effort in moving my neck around at all.
Yeah. So we released a lot.
Holy shit.
Like your shoulder's out on the right. Do you know that? So watch this. So you bring your shoulder up. And it's just really tight, super tight. Look, the shoulder buckles up right away. So in a way, it's already compensating. So as soon as I begin internal rotation, the shoulder jumps up and tries to cheat. And then I'm gonna get in on this too.
Okay.
And work some of these problems.
Oh.
And I think that's one of the problems.
Oh. Oh.
So that's one of the problems there. And now watch my knee. See, my knee is moving you around a little bit.
What is this?
Good.
Oh.
Right in there.
Oh.
And then I'm gonna drop my elbow right on it and separate it.
Oh.
Right there, a little more.
Oh, just don't take it off.
And then I'm gonna repeat this a little bit. Good.
Oh my god, okay.
Good. Now I'm gonna switch and go under the arm now. And I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna look for a pressure point, okay?
Okay.
We call them trigger points, but they're the same thing.
Yeah.
And I'm almost there. And let me get yours. That's good down here, so I'm coming up. And yours is a little higher, it's right there. So that's it. And I'm just gonna hold that for a second. And stretch your arms long. And pull it out. Good. Now I'm gonna combine that with adjusting it.
Okay.
And I trap your elbow right in my armpit so I can control you. And I'm gonna and adjust it. Now I'm gonna crisscross your arms with a follow-up move. And I got it.
I'm crying. I'm literally crying.
All right. We're working on mechanically freeing up some of your segments some of your functionality that's shut down. I'm gonna do some toes now.
Okay.
Now you thought I forgot about the nose, but we still gotta get the septum, okay?
I was hoping you forgot about that.
When I go this way, it's kind of stuck.
Yeah.
So it's stuck right here where the nasal bone meets the septum, and I'm just gonna adjust that right back in. Now breathe.
Wow, that is so cool. Holy shit. I mean, my whole body just feels like way looser. It was just like this resistance to moving that you didn't even realize was there for so long.
Your shoulders should be moving better, your neck.
Oh my god, I feel really good right now.
And your eyes look bright.
Yeah, thanks man. That was